Dubbed as the Underbone King, the Suzuki Raider R150 Carb is always the choice of all riders who want power and performance, but still want to add more to their bikes through customization of modification. As the carburetor fuel systems are easily customizable by local mechanics, unlike the more digital electrical fuel injection system. Powered by Suzuki's reliable 150cc carburetor engine with double overhead camshaft, or twin-cam, 4-valve 6-speed transmission, the Suzuki Raider R150 Carb has already captured the hearts of the Filipinos. The Suzuki Raider R150 Carb's slim body holds very well its highly powerful engine, giving a very light yet authoritative ride. A packed ride with very distinct appearance thanks to its very sporty and edgy look. The Suzuki Raider R150 Carb is a sure head-turner on the road. It even has a beautiful steel muffler. Secured by a single disc brake in front and rear with special wavy design and an engine cowling feature to resist foreign objects from hitting vital parts. The Suzuki Raider R150 Carb is for the adventurous motorcycle enthusiasts who are willing and excited to get experimental with their rides and treat them as an extension for themselves.